Well, hello guys, we've got Amelia with us today. As you can see, she's excited about this hairdo. She said that she wanted high bun today, so we're gonna do high bun edges. As you can see, she's actually really excited. So yeah, this is her hair. The hair needs to be combed out, it needs to be brushed out, detangled, it needs to be moistured, it needs everything. Okay, so we're going to go in with water bottle as usual. With curly hair, always spray it first and add a bit of leave-in conditioner inside the water bottle. This helps with the moisture, this helps with detangling it also. So I'm spraying that all over. As you can see by her face, she hates water. She doesn't like the thought of water going in her face, even though it's not in her face. But yeah, I'm going to go in also with this Shea Moisture Kids Detangler. This is really good also for Amaya's and Amelia's hair. I find this helps a lot with the detangling process as well. Going in with the same old Strength and Moisture leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture, and I'm going through all of that with her hair as well, just to give it some moisture. And this, I find this helps with, honestly, like when it's wet and you pull it in, and then when it dries, it's like it doesn't dry crispy, it just dries nice and like moisturized. I find it helps with Amelia's hair so much. This is like my lifesaver because Amelia's hair is very thick and curly. So I'm going in with my mixture that I've used with shea butter, castor oil, all of those like natural products that I've just mixed up into one concoction, and I put that all throughout her hair also. For this just helps again with like thickening her hair with the edges also. It helps us to protect everything and just moisturize it once more also. So I'm just brushing it up with a hard brush, and this takes like it's a process because she has so much hair, and like brushing it all up, it hurts my hands after a while, my poor little arms. So I'm going with the Eco Styling Gel for some flyaways, just to put that in. And I'm going in with the Eco Styling Gel with her edges also, because Amelia's always saying, and my edges too please, so she knows about laying her edges. Okay, so I tried my best to do baby hairs. Like I've said before, for years now, I don't know how to do baby hairs. So I put a little bow in her hair, and as you can see, she's excited for that. So this is her hair here. It's kind of like semi-dry. It will dry up and then it will poof up a bit more. But thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.